Alright, hello all. This is Loner420 from Loner420 House. Peace all. Yeah, I'm wearing my wolf hat here. My first cousin back in Ontario and was knitting some lamb hats and stuff for her girlfriends, and I asked her to knit me a wolf hat. So yeah, I thought I'd wear it for 420 hour. Alright, I'm at home today. A little sore. Extremely sore actually today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stay at home and do my honey oil dab here. Again, happy 420 all. What's up, Genghis? Go on, over there. Go on. Hey. Good boy. Go on. Oh, that's it. Yep. Good old Loner420 honey oil. Still no snow here in Parksville on Vancouver Island. It's January, I'd say 21st, and it's like spring out there. Yeah. Again, happy 420 all, and peace out. Yeah. Signing out.